In today's connected world, securing network connections is crucial for businesses to protect sensitive data and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their services. So, in this section, we will discuss the importance of securing network connections and explore various methods and technologies that businesses can use to protect their network. Network connections are links between organizations and their cloud deployments. They provide a pathway for data to travel between the organization's network and the cloud service provider's network. These connections are vulnerable to security threats and must be secured to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents. Securing network connections is crucial because it keeps transmitted data confidential and safeguards it from unauthorized access or manipulation. Unsecured network connections can be intercepted, enabling attackers to read or alter data. Securing their network connections, businesses can protect sensitive data and maintain service confidentiality. Securing network connections is also essential for maintaining the availability of services. Network connections that are not secure can be vulnerable to disruptions, such as distributed denial of service attacks or DDoS attacks, or other kind of network outages. These disruptions can result in downtime, which can be costly for businesses. By securing network connections, businesses can ensure the availability of their services and prevent disruptions. There are several methods that businesses can use to secure network connections. These include virtual private network connections, or VPN connections, direct connections, and network services such as domain name systems, or DNS, and firewalls. A virtual private network, or VPN connection, is a secure link between an organization's network and cloud service provider's network. VPN connections encrypt network traffic for confidentiality, preventing unauthorized access and data breaches. VPNs have been used for a long time with telecommuting and business travel scenarios. They are a popular choice for businesses today because they are cost-effective and easy to use. Cloud VPN services are offered by major cloud service providers and are appropriate for relatively low levels of traffic. Direct connections provide a dedicated network link between a cloud service provider's data center and an organization's premises. These connections support much higher levels of traffic than VPN connections and are ideal for businesses with high traffic demands. Direct connections are also encrypted for confidentiality, providing an additional layer of security. Cloud service providers can help businesses establish direct connections between their networks and the cloud. Network services such as domain name system, or DNS, and firewalls are also essential for securing network connections. DNS is a distributed hierarchical database that relates easy-to-remember names with difficult-to-remember IP addresses. It is a critical internal and internet service that allows humans to communicate with resources on the internet using easy-to-remember names. Firewalls are used to control the flow of traffic within a single network or between multiple networks. They filter traffic, making decisions to forward or drop it based on your source IP address, destination IP address, or the type of communication protocol. So, you may be wondering, what are some of the best practices to follow to ensure the best security for my cloud-based network connections? Well, there are really 6 that you should be aware of. Number 1, implement strong authentication and access control mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access to the network. Number 2, use network encryption to protect the confidentiality of data transmitted over the network. Number 3, establish redundancy to ensure the availability of services in case of disruption. 4, regularly monitor network traffic to detect and prevent security incidents. 5, follow security policies and procedures that define how network connections should be secured. And 6, frequently review and update security measures to ensure that they remain effective against evolving threats. So remember, security and network connections are essential components of any modern organization. With the increasing adoption of cloud services and remote work, ensuring the security of network connections has become more critical than ever before. A variety of tools and techniques such as VPNs, direct connections, DNS, and firewalls can be used to establish and secure network connections. However, it is important to keep in mind that security is not a one-time fix and requires continuous monitoring and improvements to keep up with the evolving threat landscape. By staying vigilant and proactive in securing their network connections, organizations can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their data and services.